smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
We lost all electricity this morning. Our emergency lights. So, not great. Leaving the Albergue. Cars behind and sparrows in the trees. You get the odd sign on the sides of houses. 114 kilometres. They love their bandstands in this part of the world. But what lovely light. Taking you down past a tiny little church into the mist. A medieval bridge known as the Roman Bridge. And onto a gravel track. Spain make it very obvious where you're to go. Very obvious. Good morning, day 7. Fairly short day today, 15 to 20k. Yesterday was deliberately a short day so we could spend some time in Tui, looking at the cathedral and the old city. That is really, yeah, it's good, worth visiting. Got a pilgrim meal again. It rained an awful lot overnight. And we had a power cut in our Albergue, so no power this morning for breakfast. So today, it's forecast to rain on and off, but it's probably going to be a bit like yesterday and not actually rain much at all. But who knows? So let's see where the day takes us. Just a couple of thoughts. Two things. One, from Tui, huge increase in the number of pilgrims, a lot of Americans. And two, when you get into Spain, the signage is much better. There's potable water, very different to Portugal. But yeah, definitely a huge increase in the number of pilgrims, which will obviously make accommodation a little bit more challenging maybe, but you do what you do. Clearly, Tui is the dropping off point. Many, many more pilgrims. We're back into the land and country of Porriño. Five crosses. Very different. Over this fantastic bridge. I'm going to guess and say it's a Roman bridge because they all are around here. Take the path over the blocks. Yeah. So to the right goes in via the industrial estate really, and to the left goes in via the river. It's a pretty easy choice, we go left. These guys are checking who's going by. Oh yes, hello. Oh. A concretey bridge covered in moss. Don't get distances on this little bit. With the holes in the rock, clearly a gate at some point, but now just used to point the way. Very carefully watching these sheep and goats. If you ever want to get rid of brambles, hire some goats. Struggling up the hill. Seriously thick logs. Hola. Buenas. Gracias.
Hello.
Just standing there on a rope. Very thin Spanish pedestrians. Interesting roundabout ornament. This is an alternate in a way to the alternate. They try and take you back to the main path, which just follows the road in through an industrial estate. But this one takes a little side quest and you follow the river into the town. So I think this is probably a better choice. Over the railway and on into town. This is your understated town hall building. So for ours, you get a pillow slip, a bottom sheet, and a top sheet. So, and a pillow.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.